Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to install VMware WorkStation Pro 17 on Windows 11 machine. So first of all, I'm going to open the Google Chrome browser, and in the search bar I will type download VMware WorkStation, and then I'm going to click this link vmware.com/products. Okay, click this link and this is going to take me to this page. Okay, and if you go to the product overview, you will have to click here, you will have to go here, VMware WorkStation Pro for PC. So download now, and this is going to take me to this website. So I need to provide my username and the password. So if you haven't created an account for this website, you just need to go here and click register. All you need to do is to provide relevant information like email address and some other information which are required to be filled. Okay, I already have this account, so no, I'm not going to repeat the process again. Okay, I will cancel it and I will provide my email ID, okay, email address as my username. Click next, then I'm going to provide my password. Okay, then I'm going to click sign in, and now once so this is going to open this page. After that I will go and to this section, my downloads. Okay, go to my downloads, and then I will have to click this option, download available here. Okay, then I have to select VMware WorkStation Pro. Okay, and then so VMware WorkStation Pro 17 for Windows. So I will select the latest version. Okay, release level info. Okay, let me just click this, the latest version. Okay, and I will click I agree to the terms and condition, and then I will click this download. Okay, this will start the download process, so it will take some time to complete, so you have to wait for a while. Okay, so the download process has been completed. Now I am going to double click this file, okay, the exe file, and this is going to start the installation process. So VMware WorkStation Pro 17, which is the latest version that we are installing at the moment. So I'm going to click next. I accept the terms and condition, click next, and add VMware Workstation console tool in your system path. Yes, I want to add it. Okay, I don't want to check the product updates, and I don't want this option. Click next. Okay, I want to check these two options. Okay, click next, install. Okay, this is installing. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like, and share this video. And most importantly, please give your feedback in the form of comments. Okay, right now it is installing at the moment. It will take few more seconds to complete. Just be patient and wait until this is done and dusted. Okay, this is installing. So this has been installed, so I'm going to click finish. So now I'm going to open this. In the search bar I will type VMware WorkStation Pro, right click, and I will run as administrator. Click yes, and now you are ready to create a new virtual machine. Also you can open a virtual machine from here. Okay, so I hope you have gone through the process. Thank you so much and have a great learning. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share.